your transmission?
Q507, 20 LA train dispatch room.
Q50720, go ahead.
Yeah, we just struck a vehicle here at the milepost BE 77.7, our train.
Alright, you all alright there?
Yes, the conductor's about to get on the ground now.
That was the vehicle occupied.
I got out over.
Okay. Alright, now what road crossing is that? Do you know offhand?
It's a little farmer's crossing,
Alright, copy that. I'll get people headed in and around. Let me know if there's any damage to the engine or if you need anything else from me there.
Alright, guy that was in the vehicle's, out, talking to the conductor.
Okay, I understand. CSX LA dispatcher, Jackson.
Q50720, LA train dispatcher, over.
CSX LA dispatcher, Jackson, Q50720.
Q50720 answering LA train dispatcher, over.
Yeah, how's everything coming along up there? Is the car clear?
Yes, the car is clear. There was no damage done to the locomotive. Little scratches or sit.
Alright, so there's nothing there. It's just a road crossing. Police coming on, or?
Yes, they've left, and recovery truck is here, lifting the car off the side of the
Okay, yeah, if they're clear, Trainmaster, I guess he downloaded your engine already, so we're good to go whenever you all get right.
Okay, understand. We get our stuff together, cater proceed south signal to catch.
That's correct, just as long as everybody, all the people are in the clear, they're down way through there, coming south signal.